sooner or later. Call your sooner or later. As soon as you like. When you feel like to switch on the mic. When you feel like to switch on the mic. I'm not a character from the distant past, neither nor a plumber to complete the task. I'm not a roommate from your carefree youth, and I am not your mentor for your quest for truth. Call me sooner or later. You might think I'm your savior or a sign of alert. Yeah, 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 yeah. You might think I came here to lighten your life. Hold the line, hold the line. I'm more than just pseudo. I'm your pseudo or later. I'm your pseudo or later. You instantly choose. I'm your pseudo or later. You'll miss if you lose. I'm your pseudo or later. You'll miss if you lose. It might come as surprise, but I also have moments of stupidity twice. Twice a year, twice a week, twice a day in a row. As you see, there's potential to grow. As you see, there's potential to grow. Sooner or later, I feel like taking this name. Call me sooner or later today. Yeah, do not hesitate to call me sooner or later today. Call me sooner or later, ask for more. What on earth are you waiting for? Feel free to call me sooner or later. Yeah, see you sooner or later. So come to see me, just to make sure we are still on the same wavelength. Sooner or later, sooner or later, sooner or later, I feel on the same wavelength with you. I think that's a name I'd use. We're going to sooner or later get high or sooner or later. Stick to your songs and share the moments. Stay tuned with your loved ones on the sooner or later wave. Stay tuned with your loved ones on the sooner or later wave. It might come as surprise, but I also have moments of stupidity twice. Twice a year, twice a week, twice a day in a row. As you see, there's potential to grow.
9, 10.